Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss some of the question and answers from the topics that we have covered so far. So children, the first question is, which of the following are not correct? So children, always read the question very carefully. It is saying not correct. Yet some of the students might end up answering the correct ones. Okay, so be alert while reading the question. So the first part is the basic unit of time is second, which is true. So this is correct. Next, every object moves with a constant speed. No children, this is false. This is not correct. Why? Because every object cannot move with constant speed. Suppose you have to go to market to purchase something and you are traveling by your two-wheeler or your bicycle. So can you go to the market with the constant speed? No, you cannot, because you'll have to alter the speed as per the traffic, right? So all the objects do not move with the constant speed. Next part is, children, distances between the two cities are measured in kilometers, which is true. So this is correct. Next part is, the time between the time period of a given pendulum is constant. Yes children, this is also true, because the time it takes to complete one oscillation, that is from the mean position to the extreme position and then again to the other extreme position and again back to the mean position. This is one oscillation. So every time it will take the same amount of time to complete this oscillation. Okay, so this time period is same. So this is also true or correct. Next is, the speed of train is expressed in meter per hour. No children, this is wrong. Speed can be mentioned in kilometer per hour. For train it is always mentioned in kilometers per hour, but it can be converted into meter per second. But meter per hour cannot be the correct unit. Okay, so whenever you are solving any numerical, you have to first of all check whether all the dimensions which are given, their units are correct or not. Okay. So let's move ahead to the next question, which is, the distance between the two stations is 240 kilometers. So distance is 240 kilometers. So children, a train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. So time taken is 4 hours. So you have to calculate the speed of the train, and we know the formula for the speed is distance upon time. Distance divided by time taken, which is, distance is 240 kilometers. First we have to check whether the units are correct or not, kilometers and hours. So we can use them as such. So 240 divided by 4. So answer will be 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the answer. It will be the speed of the train. But children, suppose this time is given in say minutes. So first you will have to convert this into hours and then you will have to find the speed. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Which of the following relation is correct? Again, read the question very carefully. So speed is equal to distance into time. No, this is not correct. Speed is equal to time upon distance. No, this is also not correct. Speed is equal to 1 upon distance into time. This is also not correct. So the only correct option is B part, which is speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, this is the correct answer. So these were the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far. So children, thank you so much for your attention.